You need to start telling people to do something on this platform. It's time to get it done. It's time to build your community, to build your brand. You need it and you know it. Now it's time to start thinking how you can serve your audience because they are waiting. It's time to impact, to be the teacher that will help the student. I know most of you will be wondering, teach what? I can't teach on YouTube. I can't teach on Instagram. I'm not doing tutorial. Well, never say never. I was like you and I assumed that all I can offer on the YouTube platform is vlogs. But digging down, I know that I know this YouTube thing. I know that I know it. I mean, I've done it for 3 years on my other channel, and I have also helped many people start their channel and they are doing really well. Now I ask myself, why don't I put these things in form of videos and put them on my channel? And here we are. You need to start telling people to do something on this platform. How do we figure out what you can teach? We are going to be taking stock of your abilities, your skills and your talent, and we'll find a way to marry it together to create a message and build your brand. Then you bring it on the platform and start teaching. Additionally, you're going to be sharing everything you're learning along the way because you are also a student and you're not perfect. This is as much a journey for you. Number one, let's start with your skills. Your skills are the things you've learned over time. It could be in school, it could be courses that you've taken before, it could be your work experience or even self-study. Number two is your talent. These are the things that come to you naturally. It might be public speaking, storytelling. You can gist, you know how to gist very well, or you are good in understanding complicated things easily and quickly. And then your abilities. Your abilities is your skills and your talent combined together. But then it involves your overall capacity on how you can do things, how you can deliver jobs. This might be you being very creative, you know how to put things together, you know how to create a beautiful space, or you know how to just arrange things and put things together. Maybe you have great interpersonal skills, or you're even highly emotionally intelligent. Just write it down. You know it, you know you can do it. Or maybe people have even told you that, oh, you are good at this, you are good at that. After you have done these things, try to put them together, create a message, and this message is going to be what your brand is going to be about. If you're good in storytelling, you know how to analyze things and break down complicated issues, you can serve as an educator or a coach in your niche. Whatever niche you choose, you can decide to start sharing your knowledge, your insights, your thoughts. That is what makes you unique. Now you think about how you can communicate it, how you can solve a problem, how you can become a solution to people and help them achieve their goals. Your message, make sure that your message is very straight to the point, clear and relatable. Your offer is what you provide to your audience in exchange for their time, attention, or even money. This could be free products, or it could be you offering something of great value to them for a token. It can be an ebook, it can be you creating courses, it can be one-on-one coaching, or even joining your community. The next thing you do is get a platform. Choose a platform. Don't be everywhere. It might be Facebook, it might be TikTok, it might be Instagram, or it might even be here on YouTube. Focus on one platform. Don't try to be everywhere. Put your energy in one place and try to build that one first. Create content that are educational, inspirational, or it motivates people. Inspire your audience. Share your knowledge, your thoughts, your opinion on your niche. Share everything you're learning. You're not perfect, and your audience can see that you're growing and it is relatable. You can share your lessons and the experience, your success, your failures. Make it very relatable. They like to see that you're progressing. They like to see that you're growing. So as you're growing, it's an inspiration to them. If you can do it, they can do it. So they're actually going to be taking steps, the same steps that you're taking. The only difference is that you're now the one leading because you're the one bringing the ideas and projecting it to them. So if you're sharing your experience as well and sharing what you're passing through, creating these things, it helps them to know that, okay, this is achievable and you're growing. If you want to start using the YouTube platform to build a brand that resonates with you and attract a community of people that will invest in you. You can sign up for my one-on-one coaching. My Instagram handle is going to be in the description. You can always send a message to my DM and we'll talk about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this helps you to get on the platform and start doing something. Don't just start running up and down and doing irrelevant things. Start teaching people, start telling people to do something on YouTube. That is when you create value. Thank you for watching. Bye.